Hi, my name is Elaine Larson.
And I'm Chris Larson, and we are the founders of Blazing Trails. Blazing Trails was founded as a result of our need to give back.
That's right, Chris. As we raced across the country, we saw so many kids that were so excited about what we were doing, and we knew that that is where we fit.
Originally, Blazing Trails happened at the racetrack. However, we discovered a much bigger need. So, we brought Blazing Trails to our racing facility and to the schools.
So what is Blazing Trails? Well, it's a way for the students to connect the dots. We take them from the nose to the tail of the race car, showing them all of the career opportunities.
That's right, Elaine. We're going to take you from the nose to the tail of the race car, but we're going to expand on all of those career opportunities that are available to students.
So from the science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, we actually connect those dots again. We talk about engineering, human factors, research, the marketing, business plans. There is literally something for everyone.
Absolutely, Elaine. The world of high-performance vehicles is giant. It is a multi-billion-dollar industry that has a place for nearly everyone.
Collectively this year, we've been in front of over 50,000 students that are blazing their own trail.
So what do we need from you? We need your ideas, your time, and your contributions to reach even more students than we did this year.
I'm excited to see where this next generation is going to take us. It's time for them to get into their driver's seat and blaze their own trails.
And let's go be girl power, man.